no money down, no payments, and no interest for a year. Revamp is fast, affordable, and guaranteed for life.
Danny, what you doing, Danny boy? You playing with your rattles? Oh, what a cutie.
If you choose the pill for contraception, you should know that Yaz is for the treatment of premenstrual dysphoric disorder, or PMDD, and moderate acne, not for the treatment of PMDD.
Hi, baby.
Unlike PMDD,
Hi, baby.
PMDD are severe enough to interfere with your menopause.
Oh, what are you doing?
PMDD symptoms and moderate acne,
Danny boy.
Yaz contains DRSP, a different kind of hormone that
Hi,
also
baby.
increases potassium too much.
Hi.
So you shouldn't take
Oh, are you happy, baby?
disease because this could cause serious heart and health problems.
Hi, baby.
If you're on daily long-term treatment
Hi,
for chronic
baby.
condition like cardiovascular disease or chronic inflammatory disease, the pill does not protect against HIV or STDs. Serious risks include blood clots, stroke, and heart attacks.